talking Tom? Why are you making yourself to me?
Because
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video, another day, another banger. Guys, on today's video we have a really insane video, guys. As you guys see by the box, alright guys, you guys already know what's going on. So guys, on today's video, it's a really special video that I know you guys will love, alright guys. It's an old kind of video. So guys, on today's video, I'm gonna be mailing myself to Talking Tom at 3 AM at what happens, guys, alright. For those who know what happens at 3 AM, trims the timer, all the events and spirits come to earth, guys, and set them to do anything they want. That's why we are going to mail ourselves to Talking Tom on that time and see what happens, guys, alright, in this giant box, alright. And for those who don't know who's Talking Tom, I'll put the picture right over here, guys. Look at this. So Talking Tom is this cat that he apparently talks, alright guys, and it's really creepy. It's an app called Talking Tom that this Talking Tom talks. Like, I actually FaceTime him and he actually answered, alright guys. I think some of you guys might remember it. It was like really creepy, alright guys. And I'm just gonna be mailing myself to Talking Tom in this giant box. Look at this, guys. Like this creepy giant box. Like, look at this, guys. This box is like so giant. I fit in it like perfectly. But before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both of our social medias, guys. It is all on screen right now, so follow me on there for chance to get shout out every video, guys. Like this. Alright, this is how to get an Instagram shout out. Alright guys, so first make sure to follow me on my Instagram af11_69, and then I'm just gonna come down here, open my recent picture, like my recent video. Oh my god, guys, almost 4,000 views and 837 comments. Yo, you guys are so insane. And then I just went to the comment section and I'm just going to shout out you guys, alright? So make sure to comment more for a more chance to get a shout out, alright? So now I'm just gonna scroll down. If you guys see your name, just screenshot it. Let's go. Guys, and go more right now, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on notifications to be on notification squad, guys. But before this video starts, you know what time it is?
Shooting stars didn't even get to cross.
Stop messing around and look at the time. Look at the time, guys. It is 2:59 AM right now. So let's just wait until it's 3 AM. Come on, come on. Yo, we need it to be 3 AM so we can start this challenge. Alright, guys, that's the evils and spirits hour. Yo, come on, we are still waiting. Yo, come on, why is it going so late? Come on, 3 AM, come on. 3 AM, 3 AM, 3 AM. Yo, come on, guys. 3 AM. Yes, guys, it's actually 3 AM now. 3 AM, the evils and spirits hour. So it's the time to mail ourselves in this box. But before all of that, look at this, guys. I got some snacks while I'm in the box, alright guys? Because I don't know like how many hours I'm gonna be in the box, because I only know the Talking Tom location, alright guys? Because I don't know like how many hours I'm gonna be there. I think like 4 hours, 5 hours I might be in the box, guys. I really don't know, alright? Because Talking Tom lives so far away from me. I can't even tell you guys the location because it's like so insane, alright guys? I really don't want you guys to try it, alright? So come on, I just got the box over here, and now these are the snacks I got for inside, alright guys? Like, come on, cause we need something to drink. So I got a bottle of water. I got actually 2 bottles of water already, cause I'm scared I might be there like for a while. And then I got this like Mountain Dew, come on, and like 2 Mountain Dews, alright, cause this looks so cool, alright, let's just look at it, alright. And then I got a banana, come on, 1 banana. And then guys, I got Oreo, yes, Oreo, and I got some Kinder surprises. Yo, this is gonna be insane. Look at this guy. I got so many things. And guys, yo, come on, I got gummy bears for snacks, alright guys? Because I need some snacks in there. So this is everything I got, as you guys can see, alright guys? This is everything I got for inside the box. Come on, let's just keep them inside the box right now. Hope that that's like enough for until I'm on the way. Alright guys, we are going to call AR7 Productions. His link is on description. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe to him because he's coming to pick me up and drop me, and then I'm gonna mail myself. Alright guys, it's going to be insane. So now let's just take this box upstairs. Let's go. This is so heavy guys. Yo, come on. Alright guys, look at this. AR7 made it here guys, as you guys can see.
Hey guys.
Yo guys, link is on the description. Make sure to subscribe to him. The link is on the description. So now he just came here and he's gonna drop me and I'm gonna mail myself. Alright guys, but we have to take this box outside. Alright. Yo, look at this. Like we are just, oh my god, so dark. So I have to meet you guys when I'm in the box. Alright guys, because I don't want my battery to die just recording. Alright guys, so I'll meet you guys when I'm in the box. Let's go. Yo, alright guys, so AR7 just dropped me. Alright guys, yo, I'm actually mailing myself to Talking Tom. Yo, look at the time guys. By the way, if you guys wondering what's this sound, like what's this light, look at this guys. It's this skeleton thing. I just brought it so you guys can see some light. Alright, I'm just gonna place it somewhere. Come on. Yo, this is actually insane. Alright guys, I'm mailing myself to Talking Tom, and I really can't believe like this is actually happening right now. You guys, I'm actually in the box. Look at this. Yo, this is insane. And I got this skeleton thing because it looks cool. Look at this guys, I got all of the snacks right over here, as you guys can see. Like I'm actually thirsty right now already. Look at this guys, I'm in this box. Yo, this is insane. Yo, I can hear something. Yo, I think I'm going inside. I'm going inside. Place the camera. I'm gonna get some snacks. Come on. What should I get? Let's see. Let's go for water first. Alright. Yo. Come on. This is perfect. It's actually insane. Like I'm in the box right now. Can you guys believe it? Please go down below, guys. Come on, please go down below right now and smash that like button. Alright guys, because I'm doing these videos for you guys. Alright, so if you guys could just go down below right now and smash that like button, it would mean the world to me. Alright guys, please just smash that like button. Come on. Yo, I'm actually getting tired. Guys. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Talking Tom. Talking Tom is FaceTiming me. Hello?
Hey, I know you.
Oh my god. Who is this? Who are you?
I am Talking Tom. Why are you mailing yourself to me?
Cause I... How?
And I know you're on my way.
Yes, I'm coming to you.
Stop it right now and turn back.
I can't. I'm already on my way. I can't. I want to see you.
No, you don't want to see me.
I want. What?
Bye, I have to go.
What do you mean?
Bye.
Wait, what do you mean 3 a.m. Talking Tom? Hello, what do you mean about 3 a.m. Talking Tom? Oh my god. Yo guys, what was Talking Tom even saying? Because like I didn't know what to say. Oh my god. No. Yo. Guys, the box is opening. I think I'm here. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. There's no way, guys. Look. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. Talking Tom. Yo, Talking Tom, you're actually here. Look at this guy, the box. Oh my god. Where am I? Oh my god. Look guys, it's actually Talking Tom. Yo, there's no way. Oh my god. Where am I? Yo, look at this place. Oh my god. Yo, stop this. Where did he go? Okay. Oh my god. No, this is insane. Please stop this, Talking Tom. What do you want? Yo, I'm gonna go up. Come on. Look at where am I, guys? Yo, where is this place? Oh my god. Yo, I'm actually so creeped out. Yo, where is Talking Tom? Like, he was right over here, guys. But he just went missing. Yo, like, Talking Tom just opened the box. Just look where did he put the box. Look at, I'm in the middle of this place. Like, he just left the box right over here. Yo, this is actually, like, so creepy, guys. I really don't know what to say. Come on, Tom, please stop this. Where are you? He's right there, he's right there. Talking Tom is actually there. Yo, look at him, guys. Oh my god, this is so insane. It's actually Talking Tom. Yo, the camera is shaking, guys. Yo, it's actually Talking Tom. Talking Tom, what do you want from me? Yo, you said don't come, but I couldn't because I was already on the way. Look at this, guys. He's in the bushes somewhere. Come on. Let me get out of here. Come on. Yo. Oh my god. He's not here. Yo, right guys, this is like so insane. I really don't know what to do, guys. Like, Talking Tom just shipped me like nowhere, guys. I don't know where is this place, and he just came. That's the like creepy thing. Alright guys, he just shipped me somewhere. I don't know. This is so insane. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video right over here. Alright guys, so make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe and turn on post notification to be on notification squad, guys. Oh my god.